Sakay pa nga.
I think she's cheating.
What din ba ni Thuy Pi?
Thuy ka ay. Mano to siyang rang gan sipang.
Udang dito purlok dyan nga.
Purlok jong pi. Nalay ina lang jong ba. Ndero purlok jong pi to.
Jong nga. Jong pi.
Aku wika ski. Kinsa sutu. Ba pibret yung maul nai. Ba kiratam yung maul. Nakandaw.
Let it be done. Over and done with
Thuy ba pi?
Cheater.
Maafkin batay nga. Kamu di you?
Labiang. Labiang mean enough. Labiang. We are done with you. Hello guys, Shillong, Kasi, Meghalayan people, Kumno Pilong Paralog. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi back here again. And today is going to be my first time checking Bin Seng So Hyung and Bad Boy official music video. The music title is Iyed Kum Ma Nga. Tell me, what does it mean, guys? And don't forget, guys, just so many people are watching my reaction video and they are not supporting, guys. This is really so bad. Kindly, I'm requesting subscribe, guys. It won't cost you anything, because soon when I'll come to Shillong, I will also start posting my travel vlogs in this channel, especially because Shillong only belong to Meghalaya, guys. So I will be posting the vlogs here so that it will be easy for you all to watch it in this channel. So make it sure to subscribe, put on the bell, and let's go. This lady, she's so famous. I think I watched her before. I forgot her name, but her name is something
Sakay pa nga.
I think she's cheating.
What din ba ni Thuy Pi?
Thuy ka ay. Mano to siyang rang gan sipang.
Udang dito purlok dyan nga.
Purlok jong pi. Nalay ina lang jong ba. Ndero purlok jong pi to.
Jong pi.
Aku wika ski. Kinsa sutu. Ba pibret yung maul nai. Ba kiratam yung maul. Nakandaw.
Let it be done. Over and done with
Thuy ba pi?
Cheater.
Maafkin batay nga. Kamu di you?
Labiang mean enough. Labiang. We are done with you. Labiang. Cheater. Now the man has to go. What about all this beautiful time, lady? You just broke his heart. How can I forget this time? All the beautiful memories that we had with you together. What have you done now? You just broke my heart. I can't forget this moment. Hey, this guy. Eddie Lindo, right? This is Eddie Lindo. The boy sounds so good. All the nice smile of gold. What have you done to me? What is all this? Don't do like that, girl. You're playing cheating on this boy. Bayetku Maya. 2 years later, he was with that boy again. What is this? Okay, let's see after 2 years later what happened.
Hai, film
Đi,
mo.
vlog yang tu.
Ani, la aslam ji she deh. Fikran ya ji she deh.
Okay.
Hey,
Cái lông nè.
Aslam, la aslam.
Acha. Ini di
Hey,
samla sana. Ni flow.
Bye.
Okay, to kata. Mo, bye. Sekejap bye. Mo.
bye. People have move on. We move on, lady. Bye. Go ride your scooty there. Go back to your scooty. People are riding car here. Directed by Benezar Lapang. Hey, this guy, Monique also. See, this director, Abenazar, is always good, guys. I love the way he's directing the music video. It's not my first time. I also reacted to one of his music from his own page, guys. The guy is a very good director. And I love this song. It's based on a true story and on a true life, guys, because, you know, nowadays, sighting, it usually happen in life whereby people cheat among themselves, and it's real thing. Like, maybe, I don't know, maybe this is not based on his true life, but this is something real that is happening on the world, and you just have to be aware of that there is nothing that lasts forever. It's a proof from this music video. But whenever something happen bad, make sure to move on. You have to be strong. Don't bring yourself down by depending on someone. So this is what I can tell you. Like, yeah, you know, people can fall in love, but love is blind, right? So you don't know where it will take you or where it will end. So this is what I can say. If you have nice fact, a nice quote about love, also drop me, because I heard that the Shillong people, they are so good in love, and they love being in love also. They love falling in love. So for sure they know much about love. So tell me your most favorite quotes about love, or things that you love about love, guys. So thank you so much. That is it. Till next time. I love the music. It's nice, guys. Don't forget, subscribe. Tata.